Hi, I'm Joe Fitzpatrick for Understand Photography. In today's Tuesday tip, I'm going to show you how to make eyes pop with Lightroom Classic. Let's get started. With the image in the Develop panel, the first thing I want to do is zoom in on the eyes to make it easier to adjust them. So I'm going to left click between the two eyes and that will expand them. You can control the rate of expansion, how much you zoom in over here. Next, I'm going to select the adjustment brush. I'm going to double click on the word effect to set everything to 0. And then I'm going to tap the O key for overlay so I'll be able to see where I'm painting. And I'm going to paint right around the iris, and you can see where I'm painting from the overlay. And I'm going to do that to both eyes. Next, I'm going to tap the O key again to turn the overlay off, and now I'm going to apply my adjustment. I'm going to brighten the iris a little bit. You don't want to overdo this. I'm going to add a little bit of saturation, and I'm going to add a little bit of clarity. Okay, I kind of like the way that looks. I'm going to click on New. Again, I'm going to set everything back to 0. Tap the overlay key and put a dot right in the middle of the pupil. Just a little bigger, right like that. And I'm going to do that to both eyes. Then I'm going to tap the O key again to turn that off so I can see what I'm doing. And what I want to do is darken them a bit. So I'm going to run the exposure down just a bit. And that'll bring a little more punch to them. I'm going to again go to a new brush by clicking New. I'm going to turn on the O key again. And I'm going to make the brush very small. And I'm going to just paint around the outside on both. I'll tap the O key again, and now I'm going to lower the exposure on that as well to make the outside just a bit darker. Next, I'm going to go for another new brush. I'm resetting everything to 0 again, tapping the O key, and now I'm going to brush in on the whites of the eye. We'll do this to both of them. Tap the O key to turn that off. And to brighten this, I'm going to brighten the exposure just a little bit. And I'm going to take the saturation down to make it a little whiter. You want to make sure you don't overdo this, because if you make them too bright, it's really going to look strange. Next, I'm going to take another new brush, using the same procedure, zeroing everything, turning on the overlay. And for this one, I'm painting the entire eye, including the eyelashes. Now this model has a lot of eye makeup on, actually very heavy because she was at an underwater shoot. Turning the O off again, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of clarity to the entire eye, just a bit. And then I'm going to click on Done. And let's see what it looks like. And we can check the before and after. And you can see just how much punch I've added to the eye. That's all there is to it. Quick and easy. Just make sure you don't overdo it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any future quick tips. You can check out our website for notes on this video, other video quick tips, episodes of the Understand Photography Show, and much more. Thanks for watching.